Super RetroCon.
This is exactly what I've been waiting for.
I'm so excited!
Hello you guys, it's Cookie here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is RetroCon, so we're going to be attending this event. I'm going to be showing you guys all they got. Hopefully we find really good deals, and if we don't, then sad face. But it's okay. So we'll continue on, and I'll show you guys what I found at the end of the day. Also, you guys, I want to apologize because I know I haven't been posting as consistently. Unfortunately, I am moving, so all this is coming down and it's going to be placed in somewhere else. I hope you guys enjoy the new setup. I want to make sure it looks amazing and I can bring you guys more consistent videos on Pops and gaming. But without any further ado, let's get going because we're going to be late. So let's go. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Hey guys, comment down below in the video which ones you had. I actually had the Game Boy Advance and the Game Boy Advance SP, the flippy one. Yeah, they don't have it here. I don't see it. Did this guy make these? Wow. The Bugle. I like it. It's awesome. I want the one that's fully colored. Look, you guys, stuff I can't do. Pikachu! I still don't have one in my collection at all. I couldn't resist myself. Oh my goodness. I got Miles Morales. And my favorite is this one though. Oof. And let's go. Okay, you guys, so as I mentioned before, I didn't find really good deals. A lot of PPG value sales, which I respect, but you know, I like to get good deals on my Pops, okay? I did, however, get a mystery box. I thought, hey, why not? You know, I came here to spend money. I spent money, okay? Anyhow, I'm gonna be unboxing this with you guys, and hopefully we get something cool, something good, and at least our value back, okay? Okay, so backed up a little bit. Make sure that you guys can see the Pops, and let's see what we get. Now, I have not opened this. I know it looks like it's not, but I don't have no idea what is in here. They just didn't tape it. Okay, kind of nervous. Really nervous, actually. I have no idea what to expect. I don't expect any chases or really good ones in that matter, but I do expect like exclusives, cool like new Pops or whatever. Alright, so I haven't seen them. I'm nervous, and let's pop them out blind. First of all, we've got Dr. Robert Ford from Westworld. This is actually a really good show. I started watching it. I haven't finished it. I know it's a good show.
Please believe me!
So I have no idea the PPG value for these. Pop them up somewhere around here in the video. Okay, so I kind of looked for this one. I looked, but I didn't see the other ones. Okay, so we also got some McDonald's ones. Not bad, not bad. I don't really collect the McDonald's ones, but I've seen a lot of people that love them and like have all of them, so that's pretty cool. It's a Fireman McNugget. I could go for some right now. Alright, let's see. We also got, oh, Lando! Cool, I do not have him in my Star Wars collection. That's pretty cool. That is really cool to get. I'm happy. And last but not least, Shay Stain, Runaways. I've never watched this. I hope I pronounces that right. I suck at pronouncing things. I'm pretty sure that you guys caught up to that by now. But, yeah. I have no idea where he's from. Well, I mean, it says it right there. But I have, no idea, like, who he is. I guess I'll have to find out. Okay, you guys, so overall, I did find some pretty cool ones that I've never had or seen before, so that's awesome. I don't regret it. I did it, you know, I took the chance. I was like, hey, I came here to spend money. I came here to, you know, try and find something, so I felt good supporting people who, you know, have their little shops and stuff like that, and it's super cool. The people were really nice, so I was like, you know what, I'll take one. Hope you didn't miss out on it. We had such a good time, and I really loved it. Okay, so I didn't have anything else to say. So they have a lot of collectibles there, so I was very overwhelmed. And they have really cool people, you know, like actors from and voiceovers and stuff like that from games. So that was awesome. Like, they have Mortal Kombat people. That was really cool. Anyhow, that's all I had for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!